I just hit this cell on the setting that I use to weld my batteries. Now I'm gonna go dissect it and see what the inside looks like. Okay, so here I got... Oh man, this is so stupid. I'm gonna do it. Should I do it? I don't know if I'm looking forward to this. I'm gonna hold my breath, put my hood on, barely even look at it, cover my sleeves. I haven't got through the... Nothing yet? They're starting to do something. Okay, it's venting. I'm out. I'm gonna wait outside. Wow. All right. No fire. I can't see that catching on fire. Although, I don't want to breathe that. Whoa! Whoa! Don't breathe! Get out! Get out! Alright, I highly doubt this is going to have anything, but, okay, there's negative, nothing, uninteresting. Alright, here we go, with the Sawzall.